Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today, I got a package. And I tried to take a little peek. So we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. Oh, I know what this is. This is a heating pad for the car. This is really great if you don't have heated seats in the car. And it's a heated car seat cover. Came with the instructions. And to plug it in, you use this into your cigarette lighter. And you can control it by here. We'll do some up close and some personal so you can see. What I do realize is you can't have a seat cover. Is it cushiony? It is cushiony. Okay, this is how cushiony it is. And we're going to do up close so you can see. Up close. Okay, it has a strap here. Okay, and this strap is going to go behind the chair. And what I do like about these straps, they are adjustable. So you're able to adjust it and you're able to snap it in the back of the car seat. Then you also, at the bottom, have these, which these are hooks. And this is stretched. So this is elastic. You can move it. And it has the hook to hook it to the bottom of the seat. What I also see is that you also have your top. And this is not elastic, but you have plenty of room to adjust it and to snap it in place. Besides that, it's so cushiony. And look at the back. These backs is like little grip bubbles. And this is really good because if you have material seats, then this will grip it and it will stop it from sliding. So that's good. It's also good if you have leather seats because, you know, people know that leather will slide. Okay, let's look at this plug. And this plug right here, you have high, medium, and low. It's a 45 timer heater warmer. And it's basic. Press it. It'll go to 1. Press it again. It'll go to 2. In here is a replaceable fuse. So I don't want to take everything apart. But inside here you can replace a fuse. And that's in the instructions. I'm going to try this in the car so you can see how it looks. We'll be back. Okay, it's plugged in. You can tell because it has the little red light showing. Plug that into the cigarette lighter. There's the 2 power controller for the heat. And there's the straps. And you basically hook that to the bottom of your seat. And that'd be good for security of the seat. And then this shows you the rib. The comfortable pad. And if you notice that it does cover the bottom of my seat, but as we go up, my seats are wide, so it doesn't really cover the back, but it covers enough to cover where you need the heat on your body. And it heats up very quickly. And there's the straps that wraps around the head rest for security, and they're adjustable. And if you're looking to purchase this, there will be a link below. There is a 45-minute timer. And as we go, I'll show you. There's the light for off and medium and high, or low and high. Okay. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff. And you want to be a honeybee. Don't forget, Follow me. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Follow me. I follow you. Them likes, huh?